What's up guys, welcome to Ebn C channel. Today I'm heading to Kopar to pick a 2012 Toyota Camry. Heading now 6, so I'll be there around 8:30 I guess. It will be 3 hours drive. So I hope you enjoy this video and like and subscribe, and then let us go and get it. What's up guys, so I made it to Kopar and I did not know if I need an appointment to pick a car. They said 2 months ago they started, so yeah, thanks God, otherwise I'll be sleep here and then meet up tomorrow. But I got one spot, someone canceled their spot, so I'm waiting. So it's 11 they will say, so I'm waiting now, knowing what time it is. Now it's 10:20, so at least I need to wait an hour to get it. So yeah, after this I know I need an appointment for pickup. So I'm going to wait and then do the video. So guys, finally I get it, the car. I thought it was clean, but it's not that much clean. There's some dirt. But yeah, 2 keys, that's good news. The car can't start. It's locked. Oh, so it's a good car, I guess. So yeah. Alrighty, let's move out. It's busy here, so it's hard to record. So far so good. I don't know, the bumper. So I don't know, the control arm's damaged. Over here is damaged. Ouch. Down here is damaged so badly. Door is kind of fine. You can see that. Okay. Yep, it's damaged down here, so I need to go to body shop to fix it. This part, only this part. It's been fixed. So So let me unload it and then I'm going to see. So guys, I put everything. So let me head out. Here it's so busy, so I want to get out from here. Let's get out. I might stop for fuel. So I'm going to show you there maybe if I'm stopping at fuel. So half, so it's not that much bad. So let me heading out. So now I'll be there 2:30. So here is the how much I have. Almost 3 hours if there's no traffic. So let's go. Okay guys, I made it home. So I can't take it off the car from the trailer because the axle and control arm is broken. First I need to buy it and fix it on the trailer and then I can take it off. So the whole axle, I think, I don't know where it is. It's not here. As you can see, there it is. It's broken and the control arm is broken too. So yeah, that. So I'm not going to touch it right now. Tomorrow I'm going to work on it. So over here, hit it by this one, by the tire. So the door is fine, I would say. It's only this one. This one is not that much. So I'm going to cut this one and take it off and then make it flat and put it back. So I'll be. My plan is to do it myself. So I will cut it down here and here, and then yeah, I'll take this one off. So the interior is not that much bad. So cleaning over there, and there's too much junk up here. The rear one, there's too much junk in here. So who knows what it is. So that thing. So far so good. It's a clean car. It's not that much bad. They painted over here. Right down here. So we can polish this one. Not that much hard. There's no open over here. Oh yeah. Okay, so I need to go inside to open it. To my junk. Yep, and cook. Alright. So I'm going to leave it for now. This part we don't need it. airbag. So let me open the hood. See if there's damage down there. We don't know if there is or not. Oh, I don't need to hold it. Oh, brand new engine. So no issues on the engine. Over here, no bend, I think this one. Over here. So wind headlights. So yeah, down my side, the bumper looks nice, good. So we don't need bumper. So over here cracked, so I'm going to fix this one. So yeah, rear fender and the axle and the the car control arm and the axle, especially I need those two. I think there's spare tire. If you saw the Matrix, Toyota Matrix, I did one, same thing. The axle broken and the controller are broken. Same deal with this one and that one. But last time, oh wait, take it off will be, it's different thing. I just wrapped that, the holders, and then I was driving it on the hill over there, so fell down. So yep, it was bad. There's too many junk to see the tires, so I'm going to delete that one. I need gloves to have it. Oh yeah, so far so good. Oh, okay, we need mirror. Broken this one. This one's not broken. Oh, the way it broke. It's old. So we need this mirror. Okay, I hope it's fine. Glass, I think it's fine too. Yep, thing's fine. Think, not sure. Hood's fine. And then the control arm and the lights. So how many things? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 things I need. And then for the junk, I don't want to show you, that's boring to do. So these whole things, so always inside the car. So now it's kind of clean, and there's tires, the jacks, everything. And this one I think for the other car, not for this car. That's good news. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and then like and subscribe. So we'll do part 2 when I'm going to change it. So see you next time.